Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we bring you honest, insightful reviews to help you make the best choices for your beauty and self-care routine. If you're someone who's always on the go, dealing with the hassle of maintaining your dental hygiene while juggling everything else, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into a product that promises convenience, comfort, and cleanliness: the GRIN Softstx Gentle Dental Picks. But before we get started, if you enjoy these in-depth, no-nonsense reviews, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. Now, let's get into it. The GRIN Softstx Gentle Dental Picks come in a pack of 90, offering a hygienic and on-the-go solution for cleaning between your teeth. Whether you have braces, bridges, or implants, these picks are designed to help you keep your oral care in check without the mess of traditional flossing. It's all about combining ease and effectiveness in one simple tool. The key feature here is the dual-ended design. On one side, you get super soft, flexible bristles that gently remove food and plaque from between your teeth. On the other, a firm textured toothpick that safely stimulates your gums. Both ends provide different options for cleaning, so you're equipped for whatever your teeth need. The minty flavor adds a refreshing touch, leaving your mouth feeling fresh after every use. Plus, the included refillable case keeps everything hygienic, whether you're at home or on the go. I've been using these for a few weeks now, and let me tell you, they're incredibly easy to incorporate into my routine. The soft bristles feel gentle on the gums while still being effective in removing plaque. For those of us who have sensitive gums, this is a game changer. I was also pleasantly surprised by how comfortable the firm pick side felt. It really does help stimulate the gums without any discomfort. The minty flavor is light, not overpowering, which is a bonus when you're trying to keep your breath fresh throughout the day. The compact, refillable case is perfect for carrying these with you in your purse, gym bag, or even your desk drawer. It's incredibly convenient, ensuring that you never have to compromise on oral hygiene, even if you're short on time. Now let's talk pros and cons. First, the pros. The dual functionality of the picks makes them versatile. Whether you're looking for something gentle or a bit firmer, you've got options. The soft bristles are a standout feature for anyone with sensitive gums, and the minty flavor leaves your mouth feeling fresh. Plus, the refillable case keeps things clean and portable, which I absolutely love. On the flip side, the firm toothpick end might feel a little too rigid for those who prefer a completely gentle experience. Also, while the case is great for keeping things organized, it's not the most compact option if you're looking for something that will fit into the tiniest of pockets. In terms of value for money, these picks are priced reasonably, especially when considering the 90-count pack. They provide a cost-effective, eco-friendly alternative to single-use dental flossers. And given the refillable case, you're not just buying a product, you're investing in a system that will save you money in the long run. When comparing these to other similar products on the market, I'd say the GRIN Softstx stands out because of its thoughtful dual-end design. Other brands tend to focus on either soft bristles or a firm toothpick, but this one provides both in one pick. It also wins points for the convenient refillable case, which isn't always a given in this category. As far as build quality goes, the picks themselves feel sturdy, and the case is durable enough to handle daily use. The bristles don't bend or lose shape easily, which I found to be an issue with other brands. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you are itching to get it, the link is in the comments. In terms of customer support, I haven't needed to reach out to GRIN directly, but the brand has a good reputation for addressing customer inquiries. If you're ever in doubt, you can rest assured that they'll have your back. As for alternatives, if you're looking for something similar but more affordable, there are plenty of dental picks on the market, but few offer the same quality and dual-purpose design as the GRIN Softstx. If you're willing to trade the extra features, you might find some budget-friendly options that do the job. To sum it up, the GRIN Softstx Gentle Dental Picks are a solid choice for anyone looking to enhance their oral hygiene routine. Whether you have braces, implants, or just need something more convenient than traditional flossing, these picks are gentle, effective, and easy to use. They might not be for those who prefer a completely soft experience, but for most people, they offer the perfect balance of performance and comfort. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.